Welcome to Kyoto Imperial Palace, the historic heart of Japan's imperial past and a majestic symbol of Kyoto's cultural heritage. Prepare to step back in time as we explore the former residence of the Japanese imperial family and uncover the secrets of its stunning architecture and serene gardens. As you arrive at the Kyoto Imperial Palace, take a moment to admire its grand entrance and the expansive grounds that surround it. The palace is nestled in the beautiful Kyoto-Gyoin National Garden, which offers a picturesque setting with its lush greenery and tranquil ponds. The Kyoto Imperial Palace was the main residence of the imperial family from 794, when the capital was moved to Kyoto, until 1868, when the capital moved to Tokyo. The palace's architecture and gardens reflect a rich history of over 1,000 years. Your tour begins at the Shishinden, the main hall of the Kyoto Imperial Palace. This magnificent structure was the site of important ceremonies, including the enthronement of new emperors. The hall features stunning wooden beams and intricate roof designs, showcasing traditional Japanese architectural elegance. The Shishinden's design is based on ancient Chinese architecture, reflecting the influence of Chinese culture and Japanese royal court traditions. The hall's elegant simplicity is a testament to the refined aesthetic values of the imperial era. Stroll through the beautifully landscaped gardens of the Kyoto Imperial Palace, including the serene Oike Pond and the meticulously maintained lawns. The gardens offer a peaceful escape and showcase traditional Japanese garden design with carefully pruned trees and colorful seasonal flowers. The palace gardens are known for their seasonal beauty, with cherry blossoms in spring and vibrant autumn leaves providing breathtaking scenery. The gardens were designed to harmonize with the surrounding natural landscape, creating a tranquil retreat for the imperial family. Continue to the inner court, or Sanomaru, which includes the main palace buildings and the imperial living quarters. The Sanomaru area is characterized by its spacious courtyards and elegant wooden structures, reflecting the grandeur of the imperial residence. The Sanomaru area was designed to be both functional and ceremonial, with specific buildings reserved for official duties and private family life. The layout reflects the importance of both formality and privacy in the life of the imperial family. Explore the East Garden, or Higashiyama, which features beautiful pathways, traditional Japanese architecture, and serene garden views. This area was used for relaxation and leisure by the imperial family and is a perfect spot to reflect on the palace's rich history. The East Garden was inspired by classical Chinese garden design and was intended to provide a peaceful retreat from the formalities of court life. The design emphasizes simplicity and natural beauty, creating a serene environment for relaxation. As you walk through the Kyoto Imperial Palace, consider its role in Japanese history. The palace has been the setting for numerous significant events, including royal ceremonies, diplomatic meetings, and cultural celebrations. Its history is intertwined with the story of Japan's imperial family and the development of Kyoto as a cultural capital. The Kyoto Imperial Palace was meticulously maintained and restored throughout its history. Many of the buildings you see today have been rebuilt to preserve their historical authenticity and continue to serve as a symbol of Japan's royal heritage. As you leave the Kyoto Imperial Palace, take a moment to reflect on the grandeur and tranquility you've experienced. The palace offers a glimpse into Japan's imperial past and a deeper understanding of its cultural tradition. Although the palace was the residence of the imperial family for over a millennium, it was rarely used after the capital moved to Tokyo. Today, it stands as a historical treasure and a beautiful example of traditional Japanese architecture and garden design. Au revoir and keep exploring!